Welcome. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the world of essential oils. My name is Jeffrey Bridger, and I love essential oils because of their natural and potent properties. I have spent the last few years using and learning about essential oils, reading lots of books, articles, studies, and by meeting experts on this topic, and I've condensed what I know into this course in an easy to understand way for you. In this course, I want to share with you lots of different essential oils that you may or may not have heard before, and at the end of this, you will know everything about them, including many unique uses I have personally discovered after learning and experimenting. I hope you find this course helpful. Personally, essential oils have helped me and can help you enhance your life as well and support you with more healthy and natural living. I have to add a disclaimer to ensure your health and safety. All information in this course is based from my personal research and experiences and is for educational purposes and is not for medical advice. I recommend you do your own further research and consult a healthcare professional before using the techniques mentioned in the course for health purposes and decide yourself on the best course of action. That being said, what I will share with you has worked for me and many other people around the world. Remember, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to contact me, and I will try my very best to assist you. Now let's dig in. So what are essential oils? Essential oils are the highly concentrated versions of the natural oils in plants extracted from the flowers, peels, barks, leaves, stems, roots, and other parts of a plant. Because of this, they are very potent and usually only a drop or two can have significant benefits. Essential oils have a vast range of benefits including but not limited to the following: antidepressant, antibacterial, antiviral, stimulating, detoxifying, relaxing, cleaning properties, pleasant scents. Considering the array of benefits, it doesn't come as a surprise that essential oils are widely used for aromatherapy. In fact, they have been used for thousands of years in various cultures for aromatherapy, which is use of aromatic essential oils for the purpose of physical and emotional health and well-being. Household cleaning products. For example, many laundry detergents contain essential oils. However, essential oils can be used on their own and replace toxic cleaning products. We will go into more detail later on. Beauty care. Due to their properties, they are used in many cosmetic products. However, they are powerful enough to give amazing results on their own. And much more. You will be surprised how many everyday items have essential oils as key components. For example, toothpastes. Due to this, essential oils are increasingly popular as a natural, cheaper, and safer alternative to modern, expensive medicines and household products which contain all sorts of chemicals which can harm us and the environment. Not to mention the host of side effects people experience from conventional medications. Because of this, I believe essential oils should be present in every household. You, like me, must be very excited right now. I remember when I first came across essential oils a couple of years ago, and I realized how powerful they are. And no, this is not a placebo. These essential oils have been tested, proven, and been used for thousands of years. They really work. In this course, I will be going through how essential oils can serve you and how you can use them to prevent and even reverse health problems, and how it can facilitate you living a natural and healthy life without hurting your body and the environment.